Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok login expired error. If TikTok shows a login expired error, it usually means your session has ended. Your account needs verification or the app is experiencing a temporary issue. Try these fixes. So open TikTok and tap on login, then tap on add another account. So from here, you can tap use phone, email, and username. So enter your username, email, phone number, and password. Then click on continue and complete any verification prompts and see if that works. Next, you can also check your internet connection. So close TikTok and go to settings. Then from settings, go to Wi Fi. Then you can switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. You can also restart your router if you're using Wi Fi and make sure your connection is stable. Next, you can update TikTok. So go to App Store or Play Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. Next, you can also restart your device. So turn your phone off and back on, then open TikTok and try logging again. Next, you can also clear TikTok cache. So open TikTok and go to your profile. Next, go to menu in the top right. Next, go to settings and privacy. Now from here, scroll down to free up space. Select that. Then tap clear next to cache. Tap clear again to confirm the action. Then try again and see if that works. Now, you can also check for TikTok server issues. If TikTok servers are down, login problems may affect many users. So just wait for a while and try again later. Now, you can also try forgot password. So follow the instructions to create a new password, then try signing in again. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.